Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. You are with me, Muhammad Haikal bin Fairul Faiz, and this is today headline about the rise of investment scam in Malaysia, a social media dilemma. First, in Kuala Lumpur, October 18, Malaysia is witnessing an alarming increase in investment scam with falter leverage social media to target victims. According to a report by the Star, law enforcement engaged have identified that social media advertisement, fake influencer, and foreign investment platform are among the key tools used by scammers to devise expecting investors. Despite ongoing awareness campaign, victims continue to fall prey to this social scheme, leading to significant financial loss. The use of artificial intelligence (AI) has further complicate the detection of scam, as further employ deepfake video, AI generate voice, and clone website to impersonate legitimate financial institution. A recent case involved Mr. Ahmad, a 35 years old engineer who invested Rn 50,000 into a so-called generate returns psychology scheme promoted by a well-known social media influencer. The scheme initially show positive returns on a fabricate trading platform, but when Mr. Ahmad attempted to withdraw his funds, he was asked to pay additional processing fees. Eventually, all communication with the scammer case, and he lost his entire investment. His case highlights the urgent need for in-charge cybersecurity awareness, strict regulation, and better enforcement mechanisms to curb financial fraud on digital platforms. So we go, how do social media platforms contribute to the rise of investment scam in Malaysia? First, social media offer wide reach and anonymity, making it easy for scammers to target large audience. Second, fake profile and influencer promote high return investment scheme, often with glossary marketing and fabricate testimonials. Example, Mr. Ahmad case where a social media influencer lured him into a psychotherapy scam. The second example, in 2023, Malaysian authority bust a syndicate using TikTok influencer to promote fraudulent gold investment scheme, luring victims with 300% returns. 5. Anonymity and fake profile. Fraudsters create clone profile in impersonating legitimate financial institute or institution. And the next, echo chamber. Algorithm-driven content reinforce scam narratives, for example, fake testimony and comment section. Next, about the countermeasures. First, platform accountability. Mandate social media company, for example, Meta, TikTok, to verify financial and ban suspicious account. Second, public reporting tools and change in-app scam report futures with faster response the time. Next, the role of AI in modern scams. First, scammers use AI generate deepfake video and clone voice to impersonate trust figure. Next, fake website and trending platform are created using tools to replicate legitimate financial institution. The third, this technique made it harder for victims to detect fraud and complication about the traditional scam detection methods fail against AI generate content. Next, detection challenge. Realistic content about AI generate text or video bypass traditional file filter. Next, scalability. Scammer automate victim target via AI-driven analytics. And the solution use AI detection tools to analyze inconsistencies in media and implement multi-factor authentication and cross verification. Next, psychological factor behind victim like Mr. Ahmad. Desire for high return can cloud judgment, especially during economic uncertainties. Second, trust in influencer and a fire of missing out for more driven impulsive discussion and cognitive bias like overconfidence and authority bias believing a person of status make victim vulnerable. Next, preventive strategy. Promote critical thinking and skepticism toward online. Next, encourage user to verify information from multiple sources. Next, cybersecurity framework for protection. We go for individual. For individual, use strong unique password and multi-factor authentication. Next, regularly update device and be wary of suspicious message and well before transaction. Next, for organization, implement AI-driven fraud detection, train staff in financing and fraud awareness. For example, Bank Negara Scam Alert Campaign. Next, partner with financial regulator for real-time monitoring of suspicious activity. For example, bank, social media, and law enforcement steering data. Next, policy recommendation for the Malaysian government. The first, strike regulate for online investment promotion and influencer endorsements. Develop public education using social media and TV as to raise awareness. Establish a national fraud reporting center for rapid response and investigation. Next, foster collaboration with tech companies to track and remove violent content. And lastly, enforce legal action against scammer with heavier penalty. For example, jail terms for influence promoting unlicensed scam. In conclusion, the rise of investment scheme in Malaysia, followed by the deception power of social media and artificial intelligence, demand a united response from individual, organization, and government. Stay informed, stay cautious, and safeguard investment. That's all new for me. For today, I, Muhammad Haikal bin Fairul Faiz, thank you for being with us. See you tomorrow and with the latest new best regard. Thank you so much and selamat malam.